Right now, without realizing it, you are copying someone. Maybe it is the way you crossed your arms a moment ago. Maybe it is the exact word you used in your last conversation. Maybe it is the tiny tilt of your head when you listen to someone speak. You did not choose to do any of it. It just happened. And it happens constantly to every human being on the planet, every single day. Science has a name for it. It is called the Chameleon Effect. In 1999, psychologists Tanya Chartrand and John Bargh ran a series of experiments at New York University that would quietly change how scientists understood human behavior. They brought strangers into a room together for a simple task. One person was secretly part of the research team. Their job was to move their body in specific, trackable ways. Touch their face, shake their foot, rub the back of their neck. The real participants began mirroring those exact behaviors, consistently, measurably, and completely unconsciously. It was as if the body had its own social radar, tuned to a frequency the conscious mind could not hear. You do this because your brain was built in a time when isolation meant death. Go back 200,000 years. Your ancestors did not survive alone. The ones who lasted were the ones who bonded with their group, who read the subtle signals of every person around them and responded in kind. Belonging was not a comfort. It was survival. And one of the fastest ways your ancestors signaled belonging was through physical mirroring. When you move like someone, you tell their nervous system, I am safe. I am like you. I am here. The neuroscientist Giacomo Rizzolatti discovered the biological mechanism behind this almost by accident. His team was studying motor neurons in macaque monkeys, the cells that fire when a monkey reaches for food. One day, a lab assistant reached for his own food. The monkey's neurons fired anyway. It had simply watched someone else move, and its brain had simulated that movement as if it were its own. These are mirror neurons. They do not just track actions. They reconstruct them from the inside. When you watch someone wince in pain, your brain runs the program. That is why you flinch when someone gets hurt. That is why a yawn spreads across a room. Your nervous system cannot cleanly separate you from the people around you. Psychologist Elaine Hatfield showed that this process never stops. Adults continuously absorb the postures, rhythms, and emotional states of the people they spend the most time with. Spending consistent time around anxious or dysregulated people gradually reshapes your own emotional baseline. You are, in a very literal sense, made of the people you have been around. Think about the last time you were with someone who spoke slowly. Did your own speech slow down? Think about the last time someone's anxiety filled a room. Did you feel it land in your chest before you even understood why? That was your mirror system doing exactly what it evolved to do. And here's the part most people never fully absorb. Every ritual, every collective gesture, every shared posture in a crowd. These are mirroring events at scale. When thousands of people sing the same words at the same moment, they are synchronizing their nervous systems. They are temporarily dissolving the boundary between self and group in exactly the way that kept your ancestors alive. That is why collective experiences feel different from private ones. The nervous system is designed to resonate. Isolation is a kind of frequency interference. Right now, without realizing it, you are being shaped by everyone around you, just like you always have been.